Meet mBot. mBot is an easy-to-assemble, entry-level robot that provides infinite possibilities for children 10 and up to learn STEM while having fun. For the builder that likes to create, code, and play. Motors, sensors, and 3 add-on packs allow you to turn your robot into a variety of creative projects. 3 preset control modes, obstacle avoidance, line following, and manual control, allow children to start exploring right out of the box. With several free apps and software, children turn complex ideas into reality. The mBlock software integrates Scratch and Arduino programming languages for more advanced users. Fully compatible on Android, iOS, as well as Windows, Chrome, and macOS devices. With in-app tutorials and games, mBot is great for children to explore the world of robotics and coding at home. Supported by curriculum and training, they are a great resource for educators in the classroom.